This here is a banana leaf. Banana leaf, a lot of people doesn't know, it's good to use. If you use banana every day, a lot of people we only know about using the ripe banana and then we throw with the skin, right? But green banana have a lot of fiber. That means you will go to the toilet easy. On top of the F of the banana here, it's called the niploid. Very good for sleeping. If you eat 3 of this, very good for sleeping, good for acid reflux, and no cancer or diabetes could attack the body just by using this. But green banana is very good to cook. There's the milk that comes from the banana. It's good for rashes. It's good for pimple. It's good for swollen polyps. Banana can fight any type of cancer, but you have to eat green banana every day. We're going further here. This here is called the maize of the banana, right? And you get bee pollen from this. When you suck one of the maize, it is sweet. Excellent, it is sweet. You will get a bitter taste and a sweet taste. Very good for diabetes, right? This part of the banana here, good to rub your back if you have a joint pain.
Therapy.
Very good for a good therapy, right? The tree, the dry leaf of the banana, good for a pillow. You can make a pillow with a banana leaf and you'll sleep really, really good. The dry leaf. The root and the stem of the banana could fight cancer. It could fight HIV. Right? It's excellent for your digestive system to build your bones. You know the reason why a lot of people are sick? Because the bones are weak. The skeleton are weak. If you want to strengthen your skeleton, you have to use a lot of green banana. If you cut up some green banana and you put it in water, it's good for cough. If you have any flu, it's good for cough. It's iron for the blood, potassium, vitamin A to make you see good, but you must cook the green banana and stop using bread. Green banana plant, the leaves are good for children who are autistic. Children who are not learning.
So you prepare it?
You just boil about this amount, about 6 inches, and you put it in water and you give it to them. No sugar. Too much of sugar in the blood make the blood weak. Again, you will never have constipation. Green banana, if you cook it and eat it, it gets rid of the poison from the body. Right? If you cut a banana here, it's very milky, eh? And that milk there, good for warts, vaginal warts, hemorrhoid problems. It's excellent for it. Remember, if you eat green banana, no cancer cells can live. Cancer cells can live in your body. No cancer cell. Stop using bread and eat green banana. For low back pain, this part here, good therapy. Boil leaf every day and drink it. It will strengthen your bones. And if the rain fall in, you can cut a banana leaf and make an umbrella. It's very good for the sun. Right?
Okay.
I am Dr. Sears. I'm the doctor of natural medicine. Strong bones for banana. Call my number. No constipation. You excrete free. 1-868-758-4430. 1-868-758-4430. One herbal medication. Trinidad LLC.com. Right? I love you all. Remember, no cancer can live in an alkaline body. This is one of the most alkaline forming food I have in the world. Not just the ripe banana, but when a bird eating a banana, remember the bird is eating the skin too. So you can eat the skin every day. Call my number, right? 1-868-758-4430. You can WhatsApp me too, right? Have a wonderful day. God bless you, and I love you.
And the US number 1305-741-1051. WhatsApp also available. www.herbalmedicationtrinidadllc.com.
I am the greatest herbalist of all time.
So call.